Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another air fryer video, and today I'll be making some barbecue pork belly bites. The ingredients I'll be using is 1.5 pounds of pork belly, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt, 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, as well as barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce that I'm using is the Duke's Georgia Sweet Heat. The pork belly package that I have here is a little over 1.5 pounds. What I'm going to do is remove it from the package. I'm going to cut it into small bite-sized pieces, rinse it under cool water, and pat dry with paper towel. With the pork belly all prepped, I'm going to be adding some onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper, salt, brown sugar, as well as grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together to ensure that each piece of pork belly is covered. I'll allow this to marinate for about an hour to 2 hours in the fridge. Allow it to come to room temperature before I move on to the next step. I preheat the air fryer 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. I air fry the pork belly on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to do 2 separate batches. This is the pork belly after 20 minutes in the air fryer on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to remove it from the air fryer and place it on a cooling rack to allow the excess oil to drain. I'll go ahead and cook the second batch the same way on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, I'll remove it from the air fryer and place it on the cooling rack to allow the excess oil to drain before moving on to the next step. For the final step, I'm going to place the pork belly bites into this container, and then I'm going to add some of the Duke's Sweet Heat barbecue sauce. I did purchase this as an accessory kit from Amazon. It is made to use inside air fryers. I'm pretty sure you can use it for whatever you like. It is labeled as a cake barrel, but today I'll be making the pork belly bites in it. Once I add the Duke's Sweet Heat barbecue sauce, I'm going to place it in the air fryer on 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Here's the final look of the barbecue pork bites that I made in the air fryer. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you've made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to share with your family and friends to help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.